Hello, super learners! Today, Tunde and Ada have one pizza, but two people. How can they share it fairly?
A fraction means a part of a whole. When we divide something into equal parts, each part is called a fraction.
Fractions have two parts. The top number is called the numerator. The bottom number is called the denominator. The numerator tells us how many parts we have. The denominator tells us how many equal parts the whole is divided into. If we divide an orange into 4 equal parts and take one part,
If we take 2 out of 3 parts,
Let's try this together. If we divide 3 apples into 3 equal parts and take one part, what fraction do we have? Excellent, you got it right! Rad! Imagine you and your friend share a cake equally. What fraction does each person get?
Correct. Each person gets 1/2. 1/2!
match each shape with the correct fraction. Now, let's test your knowledge. Well done, superstar! You're mastering fractions! Now, let's test your knowledge. Well done, superstar! You're mastering fractions! Now, let's test your knowledge. Well done, superstar! You're mastering fractions!
Fractions are used to represent parts of a whole. You see them in pizza, cake, and many everyday things. Homework time! Draw a circle, divide it into 4 equal parts, and shade one part. What fraction is it? Write the answer in the comments section. Great job, learners! See you next lesson!
Did you enjoy learning fractions today? Tap the like button and subscribe to 247 Learners for more fun lessons every day.
See you in the next class, super learners!